Hey guys, this is a 15-minute Pilates inspired cooldown stretch routine that you can do after any workout. 21 poses to go through, 30 to 60 seconds each. Get on your mat and let's get started. Let's start by kneeling on your mat. Have your hips back towards your heels. Reach your arms forward while lowering your chest towards the mat. Relax your forehead down and take a deep breath in. And feel the stretch in your back, hips, and shoulders as you extend your arms forward. Let's move on to all fours for cat-cow. Your wrists should be under your shoulders with your knees under hips. Take a deep breath in as you arch your back and lift your chest and tailbone. Then slowly exhale as you round your spine, tucking in your chin and pelvis. Let's get into a puppy pose. Lower your chest towards your mat and rest your forehead or your chin down. Give yourself a good stretch, stretching your spine, shoulders, and chest. Let's transition now into a high plank with your hips lifted so your body's an inverted V. Gently bend one knee at a time, walking your heels towards the mat, stretching your calves and hamstrings. Slowly stand upright and we're going to do some reaches. Start by reaching down towards your toes and now lift your arms and reach overhead as you inhale. And then exhale as you hinge your hips and fold forward, dropping your arms and head slowly towards your mat again. Nice and easy, and focus on your breathing. Get yourself into a downward dog position again and lift and extend your left leg upwards. And slowly come back down and get into a deep lunge. Shift your hips back while straightening your front leg as you flex your toes up, folding over for a hamstring stretch. Move gently between the two positions. Great work guys, now we are going to do a short hold at the hamstring stretch position. And now let's repeat the lunge and stretch on your other leg. Hold again at the hamstring stretch position. You're doing great. Now get into a downward dog and then transition into a low lunge on your left leg. Your back knee should be down on your mat with your front knee over your ankle. You can place your hands on the mat or on your thighs. Have your chest lifted and now twist to your left and hold and feel that stretch. Nice work, now let's stretch out the other side. Let's now move into a pigeon pose. Bring your left knee forward and bend while your left arm on your mat if you are able to. Your right leg should be extended straight behind you. Lower your hips towards the mat, keep your chest lifted and folded forward for a deeper stretch. You should feel the tension releasing in your hips and glutes. Give it a good stretch. Now lift your right ankle and hold it with your right hand. And we are going to hold and stretch out your quads. Nice work, let's repeat on the other side. You can get into a downward dog position and transition into it, or just get straight into it. Lift your left ankle now, and similar to before, we are giving your quads a good stretch. Not long to go and we'll be done. Lay flat on your mat and turn to your right with your left knee bent. Extend your arms out in a T shape and turn your head facing up. You can have your right hand assist your left knee if you wish. This is a good stretch for your spine and hips. Now flip around and we'll repeat for the other side. Let's move into a downward dog position. Lower your hips down to your mat while raising your chest up into a cobra pose. Flow back into a stretch smoothly and focus on your breathing and relaxing your body. We're going to move into a reverse stretch now. This can be a little bit challenging, so if you can't do this, you can do a forward hold stretch instead. You'll get easier as you are more flexible. Nice work, now sit on the mat with your feet placed together, grab onto your feet, and if you want a deeper stretch, you could always press your knees towards the mat. We're almost done. Now let's get into a child pose to finish the cooldown. And that's the cooldown. Great job for reaching the end and completing your workout today. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next workout. Bye!